Creativity is a subject that I'm passionate about. And I was really fortunate in that the people around me encourage that. When you have people encouraging you, it's so much easier to tap into what's inside you. You know, often I hear people say, I'm not a creative person, or I don't have a creative bone in my body. And I always kind of laugh when I hear that, and I tell people, oh, well, of course you do. It's everywhere. Every single person on the planet has creative spark. When I was young and married and had a small child, we didn't have a lot of resources, but I loved to give Christmas presents. I have a lot of nieces and nephews. The best gifts are always the most personal ones, and with jewelry I can really tap into a person and make something that fits them. I really didn't have the means to go out and buy gifts, so I looked around at what I had. I had some great hand tools, and I had a spool of wire. And I looked at that and I thought, what can I do with that wire? And I ended up making initial Christmas ornaments with people's initials and a little jingle bell. And I gave those, and they loved them. So the next year I expanded and I made people's names. And I discovered I had a talent for that. You know, the first ones that I did were not the greatest. They were nice, but they weren't professional. And I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I just kept going with that, and I kept making more and more. And so I sold those on eBay for 5 or 6 years, and those actually funded our winter. It was a great way to use my creativity, share that with other people, and help us in our life. I opened my own business eventually. I did art fairs. I had an online business. I helped open a gallery. I had this really lovely progression of experiences, and then I came to Fire Mountain. And I was exposed to this amazing variety of materials and techniques that I had never even touched. So I've been having a lot of fun since I've been here. And then I was approached on doing the Secrets to Wireworking, and I was so excited to get to take something that I'm so passionate about and put it into projects and put it into your hands. Just really give you that real-time experience of something that I love so much. If I could give you anything to take away from this little talk today, it would be to be kind to yourself in your learning process. Do start small and build, and give yourself credit for the mistakes. Give yourself credit for the things that aren't perfect, because those are the things that are building you up and helping you grow to be a better artist.